Hi friends, this is Jay Eichmann, YouTube channel Road Test Success. The folks over at VANTRUE have asked if I take a look at their Element 2, their E2 dash camera. So I'd like to spend some time reviewing it. I've been working with it now for a few days. My overall impression is that this is a feature-rich camera at a pretty decent price point. So over the next few minutes, I'd like to spend some time unboxing, installing, and going through the different features of the camera, the app, their website, their customer support. So if you're interested in the dash camera and you're considering the VANTRUE product line, take a look at the E2 as we review it in this video. As we move into the unboxing here, my overall impression was that this is a very well packaged, well put together product. All of the pieces were protected in good packaging, and everything you need to do the installation is included in the box, including some of these electrostatic strips, which can help keep some of that residue off of your windshield. Now VANTRUE does recommend using the electrostatic shield when you do the install. This is their installation video, their generic installation video. It installs just like you would a screen protector over a cell phone. Now this will not be part of the camera view, rather just a place to stick the camera to, and the view is actually below that. Now for my own installation, I actually like to put my cameras behind the rear view mirror, and that way they're not a distraction and don't take up any of the viewing space of the windscreen, the windshield. The installation only took about 30 minutes. I did have a challenge for my rear camera in that I have a sliding rear window, so I had to accommodate for that. And it's a pickup truck, so going all the way to the back of the vehicle really wasn't an option. So I'm going on this panel to the left here. I just ran the cable around the headliner up above the door seals. No real problems. And the rear camera installed perfectly. Piece of cake. So for the recording, I wanted to give a couple different samples here. This is a morning or daytime view. And I like this because with that sun rising there, you get an idea of how the wide dynamic range helps with the clarity of the picture. Normally this would be washed out. Now there is a little bit of glare. You can put on the optional polarized lens that will help with that glare, but all in all, this is a fantastic picture. So these are just the video files, front and rear camera. If you download and view either in the PC software or on the app, you'll actually also see the GPS overlaid on the map. So this is the PC software. Good looking software, shows speed, position, and then this is what it looks like on the app. So if you download the file and play it on the app, you see a streamlined version of the same information. Here's some dusk views. You watch that white truck, he goes into the other guy's lane. Night view, freeway driving. Great clarity, great definition. Again, the wide dynamic range helping a lot here. I was curious to know what it would look like if I zoomed in on some of the license plates around me. And so after we make this corner here, I pull up a shot of a license plate to see if I could actually get a clear view of a license plate around me. For me, product support's a big part of whether or not it's a good product. And so I did spend some time navigating the VANTRUE website. Very well put together. Everything was very easy to find. All the links worked. I was able to download the PC software. the user manual. Now the app is also very well put together. The product reviews were kind of low on the app in the App Store, and when I read through the reviews, it was because it is difficult to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi, but I did find the workaround, and that is simply turn off camera Wi-Fi and turn back on. By restarting the Wi-Fi, you'll see it in your settings, Wi-Fi connect, and then the connection happens quite easily every single time. If you actually download the files, and this I'm doing on the 2G, the 5G works a lot faster and it has the 5G option. If you download the files, you can actually view them in the app and it shows the GPS map overlay. Now, in addition to the remote control, the camera also does voice control, but I did discover you have to use the exact phrase or the camera will not respond.
Show both cameras. Lock video.
I wanted to see how responsive their customer service was, so using the website contact form, I sent them an email. And within 24 hours, a real person got back to me, sent me some tutorial links to help with the camera installation. Very impressive. Very well put together in their product support. So overall, I'm very impressed not only with the product, but also with the support, the software, all around a very good product. Now, it does have a lot of features that some of you may not feel you need. I could definitely see this helping in a commercial application, commercial vehicles. But if you're looking for a feature-rich camera with great support, great images, then take a look at the VANTRUE E2. Thanks for watching. Links below in the description.